guys? Thanks for tuning back into another episode of the Game of Cryptos. I hope you guys are all doing well. You guys, market's been super bullish. Obviously, we have Bitcoin going over, looking at the chart, very close to breaking 100K. And obviously, the big question with that is, okay, when are the altcoins really going to start pumping? Yes, we have seen random altcoins, some of the older altcoins from last bull run. We've seen that pump. This chart right here is just looking at quickly the Bitcoin dominance, and as you can see with this chart, is we had broken upwards around 60% market dominance for Bitcoin, but as you can see, we're starting to see the tides turn slowly but surely, and I think this is when we're going to see altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin. Now, something to always keep in remember, guys, when it comes to liquidity flow, Bitcoin is going to, this is a BitBo chart, and this is going to show you kind of like how the red is where we are currently and where the market's gone in the past cycles. Guys, we are on track. Bitcoin has to lead the market first, and then other altcoins will follow. According to this, we should keep moving up for a little bit more time, whether it's like a month or so. And then you can see that in the last two cycles, we did see a slight dip, and then we just went on and put in that first like big peak of this bull run, which could be March or April of 2025, and then the blow off top in later of 2025, maybe like October or November of 2025. So the main point of this video, guys, is just this is us going to look over at the Bitcoin chart. This is the all-time chart. Guys, if you go back to the year of 2020, you see that Bitcoin was kind of just hovering maybe around like the 7-8K range throughout the summer of 2020, and then it started picking up a lot around October, November. You see it went from like 10K to 13K, and then by late December and into January, it already had more than doubled or tripled in its market cap and its price. So this is the first mover advantage that Bitcoin has. Money and liquidity is going to flow into Bitcoin, and then it's going to go into your altcoins. Look at the time frame of Solana back in 2020. We see that it was just cruising $3, $2, $3, $2, $1.90, $2. But look, as it gets later in the year 2020, December, and then right around the time January hits is when we start seeing more price action, and then boom, just crazy like parabolic banana zone. And this is what you want to be in. This is where you get the majority of your returns, the majority of your cryptos going absolutely parabolic. I think that for many cryptos, we are down here. We're where this is, we're pre-January of this next pump. So as long as you're in now, you guys should be good. If you have money in, you're here before the real insanity comes. We've seen insanity right now at Bitcoin, but other than Bitcoin and memes, you haven't really seen insanity when it comes to your altcoins. Another chart to compare. When we go to Cardano, we look at Cardano from 2020. If you look on the chart, during the summer, June, July, August, it's not really doing much. 10 cents, 11 cents, just floating around, hovering around the same price. And then look what happens as we get into mid to late December and into into the 2021, we start seeing the price go up at a way higher significant rate. So the point of this video is me to stress, A, have patience, and B, I think that we are going to start seeing most of this altcoin flow, the beginning of this kind of parabolicness of altcoins, not meme coins and whatnot, but like your favorite altcoins, your Caspas, your all your other plays, your Sui's, you're gonna see it go crazy probably around the I'm gonna say like later half of December towards the beginning of January of 2025. Another example, you had Avalanche, another very popular altcoin in the last cycle. If we go and look at the chart for where's it at? Yep, back here. We were just hovering, $3, $4, $4. December hits, late December. Now we're starting to move up. It's going up even higher. It went from the $3 to $11 to $12, and obviously, yeah, it had a little bit of choppiness, a little retracement, but then it went back up. So, guys, the banana zone for your altcoins is coming. So we just have to sit back and be patient. Let the market come to you. It's just like, even for those of you that let's say you guys are trading, let the market come to you. Be in the trade. Have your plan before it even happens. That way you're going to induce less risk. If you let the market come to you, if you let and wait for retail to come to you, that's how you're going to come out of this market on top and potentially, hopefully, get out of it with life-changing wealth. So guys, we just have to be patient. We have all we need. We have all the ingredients. We have the recipe to have a extremely bullish 2025, things happening with Donald Trump, Gary Gensler stepping down. There's just so many things that we have to be bullish for, arguably over any bull run that we've ever had. So who knows where the market's going to top off at? Are we going to top off at, last time the market topped off at around, I believe, $3 trillion market cap. Right now we're sitting at around 3.4 trillion. And really the majority of that is in Bitcoin. Almost 2 trillion of it is in Bitcoin. So that just shows you the room that altcoins, guys, have to go. This market could go to 5, 6, 7 billion. If that happens, just think what's going to happen to your altcoins, your Caspas, your Sui's, your Tau, your Render, just all of it. It's just, we got to dig deep. We got to hang tight. I know a lot of us want that life-changing money right now. We see Bitcoin go up to almost 100K. We're like, okay, why aren't our alts putting in new, crazy all-time highs? It's not time just yet. So we just have to be a little bit more patient. Might see a little bit more choppiness. You potentially could see even price of your altcoins go down, but I do think once January comes around for 2025, I think that's when we're really going to start seeing the fireworks take off. So let me know, guys, in the comments, what do you guys think? Do you think that sounds like a very valid time frame when we might see altcoins start going crazy? I'm interested to know. But if history repeats, it looks like, guys, we are perfectly on track to having a really, really bullish next year of crypto. Until next time, guys, though, I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.